David Billsborough, and this is Tendai on the video, so many thanks to Tendai for doing this short video with us. We're going to show you just how we clean a steering wheel of a vehicle once we are preparing it. So if Tendai just goes to the steering wheel, this is a magic sponge, and we've impregnated it with some cleaning solution. You can use any cleaning solution as long as it isn't abrasive. This is a liquid solution, and we're going to sort of show you just by gently rubbing onto the steering wheel just where the muck is coming off. So this is from your oils from your skin, and just maybe dirt and grease on your hands. Now this is my Mini, so please don't be too disappointed in me, but after a few weeks of driving it, you will see the muck that's on the steering wheel, and what we're looking to do is clean it off. We're not looking to take the paint off, because as much as we say the leather, it's a leather effect steering wheel and it is actually painted on, so we don't want to get down to the blackness, just the grime off our fingers, and just gently, mildly putting any pressure on the magic sponge. Yes, it's called a magic sponge, and it's a magic sponge for the reasons that you're seeing here. And it's a little bit abrasive, but not overly abrasive. Some detailers would say don't use them. We've used them for several years now, and we've never really had any problems using them. So that is dirt. I know that's dirt. If that was black, that would be paint coming off, so we would stop doing it, obviously. But I've had this car from brand new, and as you can see, that is just, we'll just pop that on there. Then we have a microfiber cloth, and we just gently wipe it dry, and then it will be a matte finish. If anything's shiny, and it's dirty, so just remember that anything that becomes shiny on the vehicle, and I hope Tendai now can show that that is a perfectly matte finish steering wheel. So that's beautifully clean. You put your fingers and well, you put your hands onto it rather, and it should be very, very smooth. There's no stickiness on it. That's the steering wheel. Anything that you touch, so the handbrake here might just be the same. I can just do a little bit of the handbrake. It's not too bad actually, but I do tend to do this every sort of 2 or 3 months on my car. There's a little bit of dirt there, that's from the handbrake. So just again, bring the cloth down and just wipe that, and that will go matte finish. So that's very clean, as you can see. So if Tendai just comes back to me, and so we do many videos like this, and we've got lots of content on our channel. We'd love you to become a subscriber. Nearly 1,800 of you have, and there's 1.4 million views, I think, on the channel. So we're very, very proud of the channel. We've been established 28 years, and we buy and sell quality vehicles. So if you have a car to sell, use our website www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. And if you want to look at a car to potentially buy, or you wish us to source a car, because we do source them as well, then it's www.cheshire-cars.co.uk. That's David Billsborough, business owner here at Cheshire Cars Crewe in Cheshire, and Tendai is behind the camera. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and will be more from us in the next coming weeks.